Hi, I'm Amarnath from Team Fetal-AI of Team ID 591602. We are here to explain our machine learning model that predicts and monitors the fetal health. To start off, to start us off, we are going straight into ideation phase. As we can see, there are two parts in this phase. The first one is empathy map. Here we have gone through various ideas, discussing and pondering various questions regarding essential topics. Secondly, we go to the brainstorming template, where, as you can see, gone through a wide range of solutions, ideas, and progress ahead. Now, my friend Ankit will continue the further template.
And the next phase is named product design phase, and there are actually three essential parts in this phase. The first one is named proposed solution. As you can see in proposed solution, we've kind of explained every single aspect of a project, starting from project statement, idea, the uniqueness of our project, the social impact that it's going to have, the business model that we're going to project, and the scalability of the solution that we're going to provide. And the next phase is term solution architecture. In solution architecture, as we can see, we've kind of explained the whole perspective of a project in a single template. As you can see, we've explained several development phases, key solutions that are required, the behavior of a project. And also, as you can see, we've kind of show the picture of how our model projects are in the back end part. And moving on to the third part, which is the data flow diagram. In data flow diagram, as you can see, we've actually drawn the diagram of how the user needs how the user data goes within our project, and how we've also managed to produce our model so efficiently. And as you can see, we've kind of explained every single step that we've taken, and detailed down to every single point. And now the next phase, project planning phase, is Madhuri is going to tell about that part.
In the project planning phase, first we have technology stack. In this technology stack, we basically have the components and the technologies that we have utilized, which lists of Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and also Flash to integrate all of these. These are basically utilized to develop our project. And the next template is project planning template. In this, we have project planning template. Yes, in this we have utilized the Zira tool, and based upon the priority of the user task, basically we have three priorities: high, medium, and low. And based on these, we have segregated the task, and we have planned and executed the project. The next will be continued by my friend Surya.
Now, stepping into the next phase, that's the project development phase. Here, you can have a look at the IPYNB file, that is the Jupyter notebook of the of our project development. We have started with importing all the necessary libraries, and then we did the basic pre-processing to check out what does the dataset contain and what are the type of values, and then we checked for null values, and then we found out that there are totally 21 columns in the dataset, which means that's a very big number to pre-process. So we started data visualization so that we could find ways to find columns that are related to each other, and we can eliminate them. And the first step of data visualization is the conventional correlation model, where we found out some areas where there was a high correlation that is greater than 0.75, and we firstly eliminated all those columns. Then we followed a technique of iterating through the data set and eliminating each column one by one to check which has the lowest effect on the accuracy rate. In that way, we have eliminated one column by one column, and yet we still maintained the accuracy integrity so as to attain a considerable number of columns. Then we found out at 10 columns you can still have an accuracy of 95% with all the listed columns here. Now with these columns, we developed the model using smart and also gradient boosting classifier, and this is the confusion matrix of our model with an accuracy of about 95%. Then we used Pickle to make it a working model. From here, my friend Ankit will continue.
So, in order for the users to experience what a project can produce, we need to create a page where they can access it quite frequently. So, we've created a web page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Now we have three HTML pages in our web page, And upon running the application page, we get a host link within the system, and it redirects us to the actual web page in the browser. As you can see, this is the front page of our project. It has on the top, on the corner, it has three sections: about us, predict, and beneficiary advices. On clicking about us section, the page scrolls down to the part where it shows what fetal health is, and what's its importance. Also, it's able to show us the team members' names, and they redirects us to their LinkedIn IDs upon clicking on them. And also we have beneficiary advices menu, which upon being clicked redirects us to a government page where there are multiple useful advices for pregnant women during their pregnancy period. And also there's another menu named predict, which takes us to the predict page, and predict page will be explained by my teammate Madhuri now.
Our user-friendly web interface encourages the user to input various related data, and when we click on the submit, it gives a glimpse into the future, telling if the baby is all right, or if the baby is perfectly fine, or if the baby requires quite attention. So these help the anticipating parents to identify what the problem is and can rectify it. As you can see, we are showing the different outputs that are available. Thank you.